Hello, hello. So just so that the markets still have volatility and entered a buy right here at the retracement and would add on to this position and will explain the reasons later. Let's see the 15 chart. It needs a closure above, definitely. The position I entered was a good enough position. I like my entry for those two contracts. Let's say if I my risk on this position will be around $100. Three. Need this 5 minute to drive up, or else the 30 will close bearish. That's not what we want. The 1 hour also will be below its open. So let me tell you what exactly happened. On the 15-minute time frame. So we were having higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. We had this rejection candle and went to the upside. Went around 50-60 percentage from the top and got rejected. And I was watching the charts and we got a crazy liquidity grab to the downside. This was on the 1 minute time frame. You can see how hard it pushed. It collected all the orders and went up, right? So you can see it on the 4 hour chart as well. It came down up to this area. This is a 1 hour support, 1 hour support, and also 21 EMA is there. 30 minutes looks decent, not the best. It should close above the level, support level, or else the trade will get invalidated now. This was my confirmation candle because it was trying to be bearish but had a huge rejection from the downside and up move is expected. I have not yet set any stop loss for these two contracts. I will be setting them in a minute. But first of all, I will have to figure out if I want to stay more in this trade or not. Because the closures that are coming up are not so good. If we see this trend line, it's collecting the sellers here. And if we get another rejection from the downside, we have a chance to go up. My stop loss is currently here. I will be in with 3 contracts and 2, which will average me with 5 contracts. and the risk will be around $100. So risk is super low, and that's why I'm getting in at this time with this trade. I want this 15 to fake out. That is the important thing. As well as this 30 minutes to close at the support. Let's see how it goes, and I will set my buy stop. Yeah, though. So the buyers are getting in, and looks like we'll be closing as a fake out. No, we didn't. But still have a rejection and our inverted salary. Let's say 30. 30 has closed bearish. So the issue we are now currently facing is that the 30 is bearish. The 1 hour is also looking bearish. But that's what they want you to think. Everything is bearish and then price will fake out. What's the upside? I am placing my buy orders and I am okay with risking $100 of my profit. $50 of those profits were made by a false trade or a trade I didn't want to get entered in. So I am okay risking that. Let me figure out my stop loss here. If I place my stop loss according to this candle, the red one, it will be $111 approximately. I am placing the buy order. So the stop loss order is placed, take profit is placed. Take profit is at the highs. If I get triggered in, I will put my 12225. We'll wait for the all-time high to reach. If the volatility is still in the market, we will get a trade, or else I will have to close it with a loss. Let's see what happens. This is my stop loss for these three. I will close it at I will close these two contracts at break even once this level breaks and retests, or if it comes back down swiftly. equalize are being created. Let's see if the build up is worth it. 30 seems like it does go on. It wants to go bearish because of the breakout. It has created the top wick and now creating this bottom wick. Let's see. 30 minute still has a support here. The 1 hour doesn't, but the 1 hour has support here, and that's why we are surviving. We are surviving because this is a crucial level. One tap, two tap, three tap, one fake out, and we are not closing below this level. That's why price is not driving towards the downside, still holding. Still holding. Our entry is the ultimate support. Let's see. I think if the candles do not want to go to the downside, they should move upwards. Not the best trade I have taken, but decent, decent I should say. And with the volatility we have seen in the past few days, it's possible that it shoots up. Going down. Nice, at least going somewhere. Still, the buyers are buying at this level. This was a crazy, crazy candle. It just tried move up. Now I see volume. The sellers are getting aggressive, and we have closed below this level. Let's give it 2 more minutes and shall cut the trade. 1 minute to close. If any candle closes below the this zone, it's time to close. The sellers are really aggressive, and I should close this trade now. Let's see. It's not getting closed though. I don't know why. I cannot even set a sell stop here. The PC is lagging actually. Not good though. 5 minute is melting. Not able to close. Yeah, close at a loss of $64. PC started acting up. Crazy, crazy. So the buyers were stopped out, and hence the sellers got activated there. Wow, we still have volatility, ups and downs and ups and downs. Usually at 2 p.m. we don't have anything like that. The markets are quite 15 close with no bottom wick. Wow. It was a small loss, and I did give back my unintended profits. So let me change stuff here. Settings. Profit of the day is $281. $281 is the profit of the day, and overall profit is $415, which gives me a drawdown of $2085. Sorry, the profit target is 2555, and the drawdown we have is add 7 here. This will be for 9 $947 is our drawdown. I think I have seen this number somewhere. Not sure where, but somewhere. That's it. One loss per session, so that will be the end of this session. Uh, how much more drawdown do I have to recover here? Let's calculate. I have a drawdown of $947. So to get back to $2,000, I will have to make $1,053. Nice. These are the stats. Let's change these as well. So I will be risking around $250 because I have a drawdown of $900. $70 will be for the add-ons. We'll be going for base hits 1.5x to 2.5x will be my intended risk reward. That's $350 to $500 will be my take profit, risking 25% of drawdown. One loss per session and two losses in a day will be my target. I want to clear this account. I had said this yesterday as well. 6 sessions have went and 34 more sessions to come in this month. If I take 10 trades, risking 1 to 1 for $250, I will make this account. I will clear this account. So that's my intention. So looks like that the 30 broke out and had a continuation to the downside. We were on the wrong side actually. Could have closed it earlier, somewhere around here or maybe even here, but it, it was looking like it would take support on the trend line because there was a lot of chop, a big rejection candle. We could have a reaction down here. That's also possible. See the no bottom wicks and a 1 hour candle. Sorry, 1 hour support. One hour also came back to the level that it rejected from. But I won't be trading anymore. One loss for all the session. That's it. Mark it on the chart and we'll see you tomorrow. This is the long tool, right? Entered around here, was risking up till here, but I exited around here, right? On the 1 minute, yeah, 5 consecutive candles were there, and then I got out. I was aiming for the all-time highs, but doesn't it make sense? I mean, if I am stopped out on the position, it doesn't matter where was I aiming. I will still mark it up as I was aiming the all-time highs. Now, one thing I do want to say is that if such a candle, which was going towards the upside, gets SL hunted, then it's more possible that will go down than up, because many people have bought on this candle and their stop losses have got hit. This means when I wake up tomorrow, we might see price in this range if we see price at all. That's it for today. One big win, one loss, and one unintended trade that was eventually lost. That's common, guys. If we make profits which were not intended for us, they will go some way or the other. We will risk it or lose it loosely because we haven't earned them, right? So it is better to earn your profits than to just randomly make it on some crazy ass trade. Thank you so much. It was a lovely day. See you all tomorrow. We'll stop the stream now.